next. I feel like
So good, the difference when it's summer and when it's winter. Wow.
So look at things out on the ice. Those are shanties. They're ice fishing shanties. There's people inside that they cut a hole in the ice and they fish in the winter. You walk out there. Sometimes when it's cold enough and it's winter, they'll drive their truck right out there.
It's like camping, like a tent?
You just go for the day.
Okay.
I mean, you don't usually spend the night, but some people, they have ice fishing shanties that are so big that they tow them out on the lake like a trailer. And they have beds, they have heaters, they have TVs, some people go crazy with it.
Wow.
They're like, it's a little house.
And it's warm inside, or it's only to cover?
Some of them, I mean, a lot of them, those all look like the tent kind.
Yeah.
It's like just a tent.
Yeah, it looks like tent.
You bring a little heater for yourself, but it's not like,
Yeah.
a lot of times it's not like it's in a house.
First time I'm gonna try to speak in English in our videos. I'm gonna start to practice speaking English in our videos. Welcome to another adventure with Team Spanglish. We're gonna go to, what is the name of this place?
The Muskegon Winter Sports Complex.
I'm gonna try to talk in English because I really want people who speak English to understand what we are saying. Like my mother-in-law and my father-in-law, Sandy and Jim. They say, please take so many videos, and we're gonna do it. Y voy a tratar de hablar también en español para que las personas que no hablan inglés puedan entender perfectamente lo que estoy diciendo. Sometimes I feel a little shy because I don't think my English is good. But Anthony made me feel, oh, look this.
It's very good.
Wow. So here is the place. Sometimes when we drive are so many swans.
Yep.
Wow. Wow.
Cisnes.
Cisnes. Muy bien. Where did you learn that word?
Mi español es muy bueno. Muy
I
bueno.
didn't know you know that word. This is my first experience in a park like this. They have ice skate. What is the name of the snowshoes?
Cross country ski. And they have bobsled, like luge, like in the Olympics.
And I'm so nervous because we ate and we left the car like 10 minutes and was freezing, and this place we need to put wood in the fire, so
no electricity, no water, there's just one wood burning stove and you got to keep it running all day and all night.
Oh, look that. Wow, this is the first time I see Muskegon like that.
Frozen over?
Yeah, all frozen. We need to go to
Look at the docks here. Oh, the docks are empty. Normally they're all full of boats.
Wow.
It's crazy.
We need to go to this place. We took a picture in the lighthouse, remember?
Yeah, we'll go. Before we leave, we gotta go see the lighthouse because it's probably it's gonna be the craziest thing you've ever seen.
I know.
It's covered in ice, and the way that it freezes because there's big storms.
Yeah.
And the waves crash, and then they freeze like. It's crazy looking.
And then we're gonna put here in the video the picture we took in summer and the picture we're gonna take when we finish this adventure. Este parque va a ser una experiencia nueva para mí porque es como acampar, pero prácticamente es una casa pequeña en donde no hay agua, no hay electricidad y tienes que mantener el calor de la casita con leña. Tienes que meterla y durante la noche, pasa el día, porque si no tu casa se vuelve un congelador y al momento de intentar que vuelva a agarrar calor, pues obviamente es más difícil. Tiene para patinaje en hielo, que es natural, unos toboganes de nieve, para explorar el bosque con unos zapatos especiales para la nieve, increíble. Tiene bares, o sea, imagínense, unos bares, no sé si va a haber gente porque es domingo, pero tiene unos bares que estoy muy emocionada por conocer. La gente tapada hasta acá, no puedes ver absolutamente nada porque estamos a menos 15 grados, menos 20 grados, y agréguenle que es una tormenta de invierno. Toda la gente que estaba preocupada porque iba a venir porque estoy embarazada, muchas gracias por preocuparse. Llevamos todas las medidas necesarias, colchas, ropa de invierno. So let's start this adventure.
Let's go. Woo!
Yes.
Here it is. Home sweet home.
Wow. ¡Qué frío!
Come on in, babe. Come on in.
Wait, I don't want to put the snow in here inside. Wow.
Oh, wow, it's toasty in here too.
Yes, feels good. You safe in the floor was the microphone. I just buy a microphone.
It's so tiny.
So tiny, and I was like, oh my god, I'm so happy you saw the microphone.
I thought it was a SIM card, like from a phone.
Yeah,
I was like, what is this teeny little? No, thank you. Thank you, gentlemen. What is the option for hauling wood?
Like you want a sweet pair? Oh yeah, no. You can spend $1,000.
You want
Yeah, I got it. Oh yeah, I can do that too.
Have extra layers for falling.
That's what I'm trying to figure out.
Yeah, that's
I actually have no idea.
You're right. No, I mean I would.
Just like
I would think you're probably right. Yeah, I'm gonna chug it. Ow!
Could I get frostbite now?
I mean,
Because we didn't cover our face.
no. Well, there's no wind. There's zero wind. So even though it's real cold, you should be all right. But I'll keep an eye out.
I don't want
I'm serious. I'm serious. I mean, it's like 10 degrees out or something.
Frost.
But there's zero wind. So
Okay.
wind is what really makes it high possibility. And even though we're going to be ice skating, I don't think you're going to be going so fast where you'd have like...
You're not gonna see my face. You're only gonna smell me.
Oh my God.
So, frostbite es cuando se muere un pedazo de piel de tanto frío que hay. Pero dice Anthony que no, porque no hay viento. Y ahora que vamos a patinar, no cree que eso pase. Vamos a patinar en medio del bosque.
I heard Allison whistle.
Vamos.
Oh, there's Ben. Okay, that's Ben's whistle.
Let's go!
Tie skates for the kids. You want to get them as tight as you can. I won't cut your circulation off.
You're gonna do it for your baby? And then you're gonna teach me so I can help you and I can do it for our babies.
I remember one time I was at daycare, and my mom got out of work, and had to come pick me up, and I had practice, and I was running so late.
Thank you, Alison. Look what Alison has for me. Yeah, like that. Yeah, so cool. 2, 3, listo.
Give me the corner. Boom! Babe.
Ay, mocos.
No, really?
I have mocos. Anthony está sudando y es el calorcito que sale de su espalda, ese vapor. Anthony is sweating and is the steam coming out of his body. That looks crazy, Anthony.
You can see it, really?
Yeah. Wow.
I
Wow.
My head is probably even crazier. Is it working?
No.
Oh my god, damn! I didn't think anything of it.
Están diciendo que en este lugar se llena de gente los fines de semana y ponen las cervecerías típicas de acá, pero debido a que es domingo y hay tormenta de invierno, no hay gente. They were saying about here there brewery company and so many people on during the weekends, and because the winter storm and because it's Sunday, there's nobody here, but normally they have music here. And
Did you get back your ice skates?
Yeah. I decided to, just because I was like, if we're going to do some late night skating, I think we'll probably do it
I
tomorrow.
have,
This would be bigger on a Saturday.
And look how cute it is.
yeah,
And
it's
also,
so
this is
cool.
like record. This is like national. It's like really cold.
Yeah, danger zone cold.
Yeah,
They're like,
that's true.
don't leave your house.
Yeah,
Yeah.
everybody's like buying cans of food and we're here.
We're like, no, I think we'll go outside.
Bye. What?
Oh, do you guys really?
Okay, I need. That's gonna look like vanilla ice cream.
Oh no, I don't have any place to put my toilet paper. Try and mess with that.
But for the next time I bring.
From across the room. Hey, one more. That's fucking bullshit. Look at that.
Eso. Good morning, Familia Spanglish. It's the first night and it was really cold.
We survived.
We almost don't survive because Anthony likes to steal the blankets all the time.
I got up
No,
3 times and put wood on the fire, so
Anthony, actually you were like putting the blankets on me.
I know, and that's the thing. Every time I get up, I would do that too. So I deserve it.
Él puso leña en el fuego 3 veces en la noche. Vamos caminando ahora al baño y creí que iba a ser el baño afuera, pero no, él quiere ir directo a los baños normales. La noche estuvo muy fría, yo terminé durmiendo con esta chaqueta de invierno, literal adentro en la cama con esta chaqueta, pero no estuvo mal, como una nueva experiencia, no para vivirla todos los días. You wanna go first? No, you go. Okay.
Good morning.
What we're gonna do today?
Adventure time. We're gonna wrestle polar bears. Polar bear wrestling.
Cold, warm, fairly warm.
Piping hot.
If you go pee at night, it's a bad idea. Ya nos estamos arreglando, vamos a ir a caminar al bosque. Ya estoy lista. This is my outfit. I have 3, and then my winter jacket.
That would be nice.
Vamos a ir a caminar al bosque, literal. Como cuando. Like when you explore in the summer the woods, but this time we're gonna explore the woods with snow.
Winter Wonderland.
We're gonna go to the lake to see the lake. Snowshoes. Where are the snowshoes? These are snowshoes. En vez de usar botines, vamos a usar snowshoes. So it's a little. It's gonna be my first time doing this. I'm so excited. La primera vez haciendo esto, durmiendo en un lugar como este, con mi esposo precioso. Ella es la hermana de Anthony, Allison. Let's go.
They are a great tissue. I'm serious though.
That's what these are for.
Yeah, no, they're a perfect snot. Yeah, that's nice.
Ay, qué guapo. Guau. Ay, qué bonito. Vámonos. I'm so excited to live this experience for the first time, mi amor.
Me too. Yeah, I've never snowshoes before
No?
either. No.
Wow. Oh,
A lot of winter sports, but no snowshoeing. So.
I love what you do first time with me. Oh my God.
You get snowing?
Snow in my eye. We're gonna rent snowshoes now. And then we're gonna start the adventure. Let's
Snowing
go.
pretty good. I don't know if the camera can pick it up because they're small flakes, but
Yeah,
it's coming down.
yeah. And Anthony has here the drone. I really want to fly the drone close to the lake because I imagine like see the lake frozen. Wow.
And the lighthouse and the
Yeah,
channel.
yeah. So let's see what happens. Vamos a empezar con esta aventura. Es la primera vez que hago esto. Vamos a ir a rentar ahora unos zapatos para la nieve porque vamos a estar caminando en el bosque. Anthony es la primera vez que lo hace y por cierto ya estoy cansada nada más de hablar y de caminar en la nieve. Llevamos el dron, estaremos cerca del lago y esperamos poder tomar unas buenas tomas ahí porque se va a ver el lago totalmente congelado. ¡Vámonos! Y Anthony lleva unos cuantos drinks para compartir con todos. Estos son los precios que tienen acá. Son diferentes actividades que tienen. Y estas son las personas que justo están regresando. Eso se llama Ski Country. Y lo que nosotros vamos a hacer es, ya no me acuerdo el nombre, pero bueno, ahí pueden ver los precios. If you want to come here, the name of this place is Muskegon Lounge, and they have so many different activities. It's really cool. and I think like come here on Saturday, Friday with your friends and see all this place like with so much people. Yes, here the price. If you want to come to do some activities, they have like some snacks. And let's do it!
Hola, mi amor.
Hola, papacito. Qué calor.
Yeah, I know. I'm hot too.
No, I'm just kidding.
Oh, really? I'm sweating really bad.
I think I'm perfect. I just take my gloves because my hands were too warm. Wow, I can see the lake.
Yeah, there it is. Can't really tell right now, but that's Lake Michigan.
This is the Lake Michigan, and we think
Completely frozen over.
maybe completely frozen. Es el agua de Michigan y creemos que eso, todo eso normalmente es arena. Oh, wow. Anthony me dijo que me pusiera todo porque el viento que está haciendo puede provocar que se muera la piel. Entonces ya tengo toda la protección. Anthony told me we need to cover all the place because when we are close to Lake Michigan, it's dangerous. You have your skin exposed because you can get frostbite. Vamos a otra bajada, otra subida. Vamos a la mitad del tour. Lake Michigan. Normally here all this is sand and now it's snow. I think we are in the top of the little mountain. Anthony is there taking pictures. All this is frozen and the other is like normal, like water. Este es el agua de Michigan. Normalmente aquí hay arena. Todo esto es arena y ahora es nieve. Yeah. Yeah, I know. That looks so cool. Creo que estamos ya en el pico de la montañita.
That's so cool.
I know. Looks so cool.
A little different than the summertime views.
Mm-hmm. I was saying in the video, all this is normally sand.
Yeah, you
And
can
now-
see it coming up from the snow right there.
Oh yeah, that's true. You can see the color.
Hot and cold.
Are you doing good? Yeah. I almost died twice. I feel like I was like, oh my god, this is so hard.
That was a big hill.
Yeah. And I start to feel my neck and my back hot. Let's go. You're going now? Wow!
Yeah, it did.
I think this is a better view, so you can see Michigan Lake, all frozen, the sand. We were here with our bikes, and now look, everything frozen. Esta es una mejor vista para ver el lago de Michigan. todo el lado de Michigan congelado, todo esto es arena. Aquí estuvimos con Anthony en bicicleta y ahora está todo congelado. La gente estaba ahí tomando el sol y ahora se ve así. Increíble.
Oh my God, it's in my hand.
That's so
Got my
crazy.
gloves to record there.
Yeah. So, where we are, mi amor?
We're on the beach. Get your bathing suit on. Put some sunscreen.
So, is that a wave? All these are...
This is all frozen snow and water. Yeah, waves. This is like the shore, like right. This is the water would normally start.
Yeah.
The water usually starts right here. All this is frozen.
Wow.
And look at this. I broke some of the sand up. This-
Oh my God, looks like glass.
I know. And listen to it.
Wow.
It's just a piece of sand.
Wow. Esas que se ven ahí son olas congeladas. Anthony está caminando justo ahora en donde inicia el agua. So you are walking in the water, Anthony.
I'm in water.
Wow.
See, it's all ice.
Sí. That's so crazy. Anthony está caminando en el agua. Wow.
Fucking awesome, but we didn't end up flying the drone because there's like 40-mile-an-hour winds. Like,
It's getting better.
is it? Yeah, I got frostbite on my
You
cheeks.
see, over there.
I can feel it.
I'm so fast. I'm so fast.
Ow, ow! Ow, 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 ow!
Will you look under the bed? Make sure there's nothing there. I just put my backpack on.
Vale, mi amor.
Muskegon Luge Adventure Sports Park.
Bye-bye.
See you in the summer.
We finished our adventure. Was amazing adventure. My favorite part was the snowshoes. Definitely.
Me too.
That was so cool.
Just like hiking in the summer, but during winter.
Yeah. See look at this. I love this house. What is the name of this house? That house?
They call it the Black House. It was an old military lookout. So that you can see, it's the tallest hill around. You can see all the way to Lake Michigan from here. Just through the woods there, but it's...
And in the hiking, we saw the Lake Michigan. Then We went to see the Lake Michigan frozen, and Anthony had what is it?
I got a little frostbite on my cheek.
Yeah, and we tried to see the sunset and record the sunset, but we couldn't do it because we didn't want.
I had to warm my face up.
Yeah.
I didn't have a neck cover, face cover, so it was my fault.
Yeah, and it was so good adventure. Yesterday, I fell asleep. I couldn't record, but they were playing a game. What is the name of this?
It's called Heads Up. It's a little app on your phone, and it's cool.
Yeah, and they tried to guess the word or something like that.
Yeah, you choose a category. It's a bunch of different categories, and then it'll have a name on there or a thing or a place or whatever. And you have to give the person clues to guess without saying the word. You know.
Yeah, that was cool. I love this part, and in the summer you can see the sunset. And now we're gonna see Lake Michigan frozen, so windy. Look at that.
Snowdrift up over there.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Wow. That looks so crazy.
Like that's the beach right there. Right?
Yeah.
Instead, it's just.
That's the water.
Oh, you see the sand. Oh, look at the waves out there. You see them?
Wow, yeah. Thank you, mi amor.
Damn, there's some big. And then it comes and it's frozen, but it's still waves.
Wow, that looks so cool. Son las olas congeladas y al final alcanzan a ver las que no se han congelado. Wow, it looks so cool. Thank you for watching another video about Team Spanglish adventure. It was so fun. Thank you, mi amor.
Thank you, baby. We're going to breakfast right now.
We're gonna go breakfast.
And then we're gonna go check out the lighthouse. So that'll be cool.
Don't forget, subscribe, get the red button, like,
Subscribe, like.
share with the people you want to share, and thank you for being part of family, Team Spanglish family. Un fin de semana asombroso. La noche estuvo muy fría. La primera noche estuvo muy fría. The first night was so cold. Muy fría. Y la segunda noche asombrosa. Dormí en el sleeping de Anthony. Oh, qué rico. Muy calientita. Y ahora vamos a desayunar. Después vamos a ver The Lighthouse. ¿Qué es?
There's a guy out walking out there.
Oh, wow.
Ice fishing gear.
Chequen esta persona caminando en el agua congelada. Está haciendo pesca en el hielo. Wow, increíble. Gracias por ver otro capítulo más de nuestras aventuras de Team Spanglish, por formar parte de Team Spanglish. No olvides suscribirte, darle like, compartir a alguna persona que crees que quiera ser parte de esta gran familia. Por cierto, bebé estuvo muy calientito. Usé mucha ropa para mantener a bebé calientito, y ayer en la noche fui la primera en dormirme. Ellos se quedaron jugando juegos padrísimos que yo nada más estoy de que no puedo jugar porque de verdad estaba muy cansada. El embarazo cansa. Y gracias a todas las tías y tíos que estuvieron preocupados por bebecito Spanglish. Muchas gracias y nos vemos en la siguiente aventura. Bye.
Nice.
It was very cool. Very cool.
Esta es una de mis partes favoritas, cuando
Well, we had 2
Anthony
eggs
habla
today.
con su papá.
We had 1 egg
I
yesterday.
just saw that text
Le
come through.
cuenta
That's why I called
todo.
you.
Yeah, we're all doing good. 40 degrees inside the coop.
Wow, nice. That's so cool.
I think it is. It's
Oh, that's mine. Oh, thank you.
Do we need any ketchup, hot sauce, or gel?
Oh, don't see.
Baby, you scared me. You did.
Oh, don't see.
Isn't that so cool?
Yeah. Este lugar tiene el mejor ambiente y las personas están súper lindas.
Look at how the snow is all mixed with sand.
Yeah.
The beautiful beach. Get your suntan lotion, get your blanket.
You can see the water.
Yeah, I don't know if we're gonna be able to see the lighthouse.
Wow. Si cerramos este vlog con una pequeña caminata en la playa, we're gonna close this vlog with a little walk in the beach. It's too warm. It's too warm and we decide to walk in the beach. We are walking in the sun with snow.
I don't know, babe. What do you think?
How you call that?
Snowdrift.
Snow drift. The deck during winter. I can't believe here is the surf festival. Here was the video when we sit with my grandma, with my cousin, and now it looks like this. Ahí fue donde nos sentamos con mi abuelita, con mi primo Aarón a tomar una cerveza y ahora se ve así. El lighthouse. Todo esto es el Lake Michigan congelado y Anthony congelado también.
So windy, I feel like
I know.
I'm about to take flight.
I know. That's so cool.
Look at the ice